We got a great fly for you today. This is a pheasant tail nymph. It's a very productive fly. It's easy to tie. So let's get started. I have in my vise a size 12 nymph hook. You can tie this easily down to a size 16. I've got my 70 denier brown thread. I've started at the eye and wounded that back to the bend of the hook. Take your pheasant tail and pull on about 8 to 10 fibers and line the tips. Then take your scissors and cut these off the stem. Cut these rather than tear these, as tearing might uneven your tips. Take your tail, and we want this to be half the length of the hook shank. You don't want to go too long on this because we got to use a lot of this material on the rest of our fly. So locate about half. Let's pinch that, make a few loose wraps. And that looks real good. Let's make some really tight turns on this now to hold it in place. And let's go a couple times underneath. This will splay it out our tail and lift it. Hold back our fibers and we'll wind to just beyond halfway down the hook shank. And let's put a half hitch right there. You can easily wrap this by hand around the vise, but since I'm so close with my camera, this is easier. We're going to backtrack a little bit and cover the threads. Get a good start. And then work our way up, making a really nice abdomen here. We get to halfway up the hook shank. Now bring these fibers almost all the way to the other side like this and tie that in. This ensures we get these fibers to be on the middle of the top of the hook shank. Should look like this. Then we're going to fold these back and secure them about halfway down the hook shank like that. Okay, let's tie in our herl. Take a couple pieces of peacock herl. Going to tie these in on the top of the hook shank. Go to the eye of the hook, and we're going to do a half hitch. Okay, let's wind this and make a fairly heavy thorax. And let's tie this guy in. And let's do a half hitch and save our work as we fiddle around making these legs. Pull these forward over our thorax and hold it with your fingers and tie those in. Get those secured. Everything should look like this. The wing case coming directly over the top of the thorax. Take half of the fibers. Looks like we'll have about 5 for each side. Put that on this side. Hold those down. And then take the rest of them onto the other side. Hold those down as well. Take your scissors, and we're going to line up with the back of our thorax and cut those at an angle. And it looks like that, and if it really bothers you that you don't have 6 legs, we're going to pluck a few of these off. So it looks like this now.